you're going to the North Country Fair, where the wind lies heavy on the borderline. Hi folks, we're here for another Bud Buster, a new one for January. And Happy New Year. It's great coming back and doing another Bud Buster with you folks. Now, a storm's coming, and we just want to let you know that we have everything for storm supplies. We have shovels of all types, curved ones, straight ones, offset ones so you don't hurt your back. We have shovels that are small and shovels that are extra wide. We have choppers and we have pushers. We have ice melt of all types and rock salt. We have gloves. Now we have gloves for snow blowers. We have gloves for ladies that keep them warm, and we have gloves for men to keep them warm. We have many types, rubberized and regular. We have stabilizers so you don't slip on the sidewalk. We have generators, we have heaters, and we have gas cans, and just about everything to keep your stuff running. So come on down to Tessier's, and please remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. Thank you very much. Happy New Year.